Don't ever do this while driving or performing a road test. Prior to executing a left turn, the learner should have checked both lanes are clear and safe to turn. In the scenario where the traffic light transitions to amber, the learner proceeds to execute the left turn despite the presence of oncoming cars that are also turning. In this situation, it would have been more appropriate for a learner to proceed on a red light, as the right-of-way is afforded to oncoming traffic that is proceeding straight or making a right turn. These kind of mistakes could be lethal. Be careful. To drive it, you need a lot of experience for that. Because you need to know the size of the car. Like if I'm driving from sedan to SUV, I'll mostly, while parking the car and here and there, I'll get nervous.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. That was me parking my SUV for the first time. I was like, yeah, this feels weird. It's so much higher up.
We have to still wait, Nathan, for them.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
So I just assume they're gonna, because I know there's 2 lanes here. But
I'll let you know these